The good thing be say, if God allow mountain to stand for your way, now because He know say you go fit climb the mountain. Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family will also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday, when be the 25th of March 2023. Our topic today say, when God allow mountains, part 1. Our Bible verse, they come from Daniel chapter 3, from verse 1 to 30. Our memory verse now from Proverbs chapter 24, verse 10, where it say, if you faint for the day of wahala, that means your strength is small. May we enter the main message. It is very true say God will solve every problem, but as you dey waka close to God, you dey dress near Him, you go come realize say once He dey allow some kind mountain in form of problem to stand for your way. The good thing be say, if He allow the mountain to stand for your way, now because He know say you go fit climb am. For example, for Job case, God allow am because He know say Job go fit overcome the wahala. Inside 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 13, God to say, He no go fit allow temptation come our way pass our body. He say He go always provide a way of escape for us from every temptation. But sometimes, God dey allow mountain for the life of His children because He won't promote them. And before every promotion, there must always be exam where that person get to write and he must pass before they'll fit promote her. No teacher go give advanced level question to primary school people for exam. God no go allow you face trial when He know say you no go fit overcome. For inside Daniel chapter 3, after the wahala of the burning furnace, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego come dey promoted. Job chapter 42, from verse 12 to 16 tell us say, for the end of Job test, his life come dey far better than the way it take begin am. When God allow mountain to stand for the road of His children, He also want give them the measure of grace when they need to take deal with those mountains. The sad part be say, many people they refuse to use that grace and they go just allow the temptation take over their life like that. Every temptation always get way of escape, no matter how small that way go be. All you need to do is just to hold on so that you go feel overcome. This now waiting that they call long suffering for the fruit of the Spirit. Not they always look for alternatives to God because you dey face mountain. Not go commit sin because you want make the wahala come up for your life sharp. Because sin go only bring bigger mountain for you. All you guys do na to hold on to God the way Job take hold am. No deny Him when you dey go through wahala. No faint for the day of wahala. Stay strong. Why? Because His grace is sufficient for you. 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 9 tell us this one. Our prayer point for today be say, Papa, help me, make I not deny you no matter the wahala will come my way. Make we talk am again. Papa, help me make I no ever deny you, no matter the wahala wey come my way. This Open Heavens Daily Devotional na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, na him write am. And na me, your sister, Lauru Favor, I present am give you. God bless you.